Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll walk you through gate posts, how to create them, and add them to your Material Quotation Templates. Let's get started. In order to have your gate posts pull into your bills of materials and calculated correctly by the software Fence Calculator, we must first create gate posts as a product in the system. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Sales app. Click on Products located on the upper part of the screen. Again, click on Products that appears on the drop-down menu. Click on Create to create a new product. After you name your product, make sure you assign the product to the correct product category in the General Information tab. We now need to click on the Fence Type tab in order to set the correct component, in this case, a gate post. Remember to hit Save to complete the process. Now that we've created the desired gate post as a product, click on Configuration at the top of the screen and select Quotation Templates. Choose a Materials template and click on Edit. In the Lines tab, you may scroll all the way down and add the correct gate post to this template, and voila! The next time you draw fence in a particular material style, add gates. And when you click on Save and choose Materials, the number of gate posts needed to complete the job should appear on the list of materials, with sales prices and even labor cost if you input that information into your system. Thank you very much. Work smarter, not harder. Elite Technique.